tell you now, one of the reasons they don't see me, she don't be quiet. Now because I don't get a lot of disappointment for defense. Now why they see Pondi London, she don't quiet. Would still strategize? Would still struggle for work things every day? She don't be quiet because it depend me. We get people the way they don't she don't sacrifice for 4 years. I asked one of my friend them. I asked one of the comrades. I said, would they for do a circle? We don't sacrifice for 4 years. Some better action don't happen. We should take the wealthy no but I not feel lie when I say we don't spend more than 30 million only for make a same thing they happen. But things they know they happen. I ask them say now Dr. Sako make a make things that no happen. Now Dr. Sako, you there for your county, you did manage your county very well. You there for your LGA, you did manage your LGA very well. You there for your small structure, you did manage them. Wait to be a problem. Problem there for cabinet. How it do concern county? Because it's on one man, he want gather all people rubbish up. So the failure for your county, no be Dr. Sako. Now you be the failure for your county. How many counties are there with today for more than 2 years? One La Republic soldier never even go for down. How many counties? I know counties the way they don't sacrifice. They don't spend money. But as you go for ground, that money disappear. As you go for ground, that money disappear. The counties there's plenty. You work for defense, you understand these things. So if man want do something, not do something with a pretext. Dr. Sako no dey solve problem. You don't solve your own problem for your county. I am here to just merely tell you that most of these people pointing hand today at Dr. Sako, they don't thief money for their LGA. They don't thief money for their county. Their county, they be inactive for more than 2 years. They never ever shoot one bullet. For example, Dr. Epa from Guti, when I ask he said he talk everyday restoration council, problem and no problem. Ask he said the last shoot gun from Guti now when? Today when I carry una frustration capital for some innocent man is skin. When I say when I definitely when I need to look what it happen for ground. They distract all they don't decide for distract all we now. No be Dr. Sako solve your defense problem. No be Dr. Sako solve your communication problem. No be Dr. Sako solve your refugee problem for your county or your LGA. What have you done in your LGA before you are pointing Dr. Sako that you cannot solve? Plenty LGA the day to know where they don't cut 4 half. Now Dr. Sako cut the 4 half. No be Dr. Sako. I don't tell you plenty of the day inside way they don't collect money. They find all this confusion and division. Now because when they say okay, thing they don't finally scatter, sagat, then audit no go be, accounting no go be, nothing no go dey. Now plenty of them till we dey for the inside their head. But I want me when I begin ask this county chairs, when I begin ask this LGA chairs them, where they not even take their own responsibility. But today they blame Dr. Sako with Dr. Sako na bad man. Ask and say for the whole of 2021 and 2020 and 2021. How did this revolution go? Everybody they don't put enough for independent flank. Every LGA county they get right for do what they're supposed to do. Una fight, una deliver for una people, una be independent. Dr. Sako never ever come on there, stop some county, say this county should not fight or that county should not fight. No. When I get the county chairs, the 13 county chairs, when I there for una forum, when I discuss una issue, they get the 61 LGA chairs, they did their own forum, they discuss. But today they pass me say, all we will appreciate Dr. Sako last year, 2020, 2021, all we appreciate it for the good work. Well, if not be Dr. Sako, if not be Dr. Today it pass me. How will Dr. Sako don't be a scammer? Dr. Sako don't be a devil. Dr. Sako no be perfect man. Dr. Sako get his own problem. Like how you and me will get our own problem. What pains me is I see the interim government dividing on a very wicked agenda, on the wickedness of somebody, manipulating people because he wants to get his way out. Because he wants to say, if this revolution don't work out tomorrow, I am already stable. It don't really make it television. It means a future don't already be guaranteed for a television. It don't go in. So it means a revolution anyhow, or anyhow it concern now I there for my television. Now my own achievement that people don't really get their own achievement. Oh, Christopher Anu don't really get their own achievement now in television. So how on the rumble. If una rumble so this revolution divide, this interim government divide you against so this thing they calm down. Now you and me will go suffer. Christopher Anu it don't really get television. He go begin manage for day. He go continue with television. Now African Broadcasting Television. So he manipulate people now for distract all we. But you, where you can't turn out you talk, go back for your LGA, go back for your county. Ask and say, what you don't do for this county? What you don't do for this LGA? Why other LGA they don't sacrifice you? You know if you solve your own problem inside your own house. But today, Dr. Sakona bad leader, Dr. Sakona scammer, Dr. Sakona bad pastor. Go back yesterday for December, the thing that we be talk about the Dr. Sako. Wait to change all of a sudden. I hear say, as your man talk I don't ask him. I ask him Bazonia the suite today. Say, wait to be the problem between Chris Anu and Iringwa. No man never tell me any of the problems today. But unfortunately, I hear the other day, he talk say, the problem not be na Iringwa. That means say they use Iringwa like stepping stone. If problem there for communication, if problem there for cabinet, how it concern county? How this problem they affect county? If the problem they don't be for cabinet since for more than 2 years, cabinet don't they get problem. Why all of a sudden and now? How it affect your county? Answer me. How it affect your LGA? Go back, go focus on your LGA. Dr. Epa, you be the one of the most funniest person why they see because Guti LGA don't die since. Guti LGA, no, I'm not sure saying Guti LGA it really exists. But you do for television every day. You talk about Dr. Sako this. Go and manage. Let Guti fight again.